If you're encountering a TikTok error, video contains spam, you can try the following solutions. Here are some possible ways to fix the TikTok error: video contains spam. 1. Review your video content. Carefully review your video's content to ensure it doesn't violate TikTok's community guidelines, which prohibit posting videos that are deceptive or misleading. This includes videos that promote false or misleading information, such as scams, phishing attempts, or fake news, hateful or discriminatory. This includes videos that promote violence, hatred, or discrimination against individuals or groups based on their race, ethnicity, religion, gender, sexual orientation, or other protected characteristics, dangerous or harmful. This includes videos that promote dangerous or harmful activities, such as self-harm, drug abuse, or illegal activities, sexually explicit or suggestive. This includes videos that are pornographic in nature or exploit, abuse, or endanger children. Spam. This includes videos that are intended to promote a product or service in a way that is disruptive or misleading. 2. Remove any spammy elements. If you find any spammy elements in your video, such as excessive hashtags, links to external websites, or calls to action, remove them before re-uploading the video. 3. Edit your video to comply with TikTok's community guidelines. If your video contains any content that violates TikTok's community guidelines, edit the video to remove the violating content before re-uploading it. 4. Appeal the error to TikTok. If you believe that your video was incorrectly flagged for containing spam, you can appeal the error to TikTok. To do this, go to your video's Insights page and tap the Appeal button. 5. Contact TikTok support. If you've tried all of the above steps and are still experiencing the error, contact TikTok support for further assistance. Here are some additional tips to avoid getting the video contains spam error. Be mindful of the hashtags you use. Avoid using excessive hashtags, especially those that are commonly associated with spam. Don't post links to external websites in your videos. If you want to promote a website or product, consider creating a bio link instead. Avoid making excessive calls to action. Don't ask viewers to like, comment, or share your video in a way that is disruptive or misleading. Create original and engaging content. TikTok is more likely to flag videos that are unoriginal or low quality. Follow TikTok's community guidelines. Familiarize yourself with TikTok's community guidelines to ensure your videos comply with their policies. By following these guidelines and creating high-quality, spam-free content, you can minimize the risk of encountering the video contains spam error and ensure your videos reach a wider audience. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Techsor for more videos.